Like many in food service operations, you may be spending significant time and money handwriting food rotation labels. Even with appropriate training, human error can produce labels that are illegible, inconsistent, or incorrect. This often leads to food waste, improper hold times, and potentially expensive health code citations. With the continued focus on grab-and-go products for revenue growth, restaurants and non-commercial kitchens are also looking for ways to effectively control inventory of pre-printed labels containing critical consumer and transactional information. The Daymark 9700 Food Label Terminal automates and advances the way food service operations properly label food items for preparation and packaging, affording you the resources needed to refocus your attention on critical, customer-facing tasks. With Daymark in your operation, you are able to decrease food waste and spoilage by printing completely legible labels with calculated accuracy, elevate customer satisfaction by helping ensure the freshest ingredients are served first, and redirect labor costs that will ultimately improve your bottom line. Even better, your employees will love working with our labeling systems. Only the Daymark 9700 features a large, full-color, touchscreen display that is highly intuitive and easy to navigate. The spill and splash-resistant unit with internal power supplies can be placed virtually anywhere work needs to be done in the kitchen. While each label terminal comes preloaded with your specific menu and shelf life information, updates can be made easily with our proprietary web-based application, allowing for secure, centralized management of your menu data via Ethernet connectivity. The system can also periodically check and automatically download menu updates. The side-by-side printer configuration accommodates a variety of label sizes, layouts, and adhesives with drop-in loading. Snap-in, snap-out printer mechanisms deliver additional format flexibility and serviceability with little to no downtime. Printing labels could not be easier. Simply select the food prep or retail item and quantity to produce clear and consistent labeling, with use by and enjoy by times calculated by the real-time clock. Nutritional, ingredient, and barcode data can also be selected for grab-and-go and other custom labels.